Every map tells a story, but sometimes a static map only tells part of it. Whether you're tracking travel routes, illustrating the flow of water, or showing the movement of people and assets, understanding how something moves is often just as important as knowing where it's located. That's where animated line symbology in ArcGIS Online can help. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create animated line effects in ArcGIS Online to make your web maps more dynamic, informative, and easier to interpret. Let's get started. In my Map Viewer project, I've added a line feature representing a race route. While I know where the race starts and finishes, the static line doesn't clearly communicate how the route progresses or the direction runners will travel. This is where animated line features can help. Instead of simply showing where a route exists, animation adds movement, helping your audience better understand the journey. To enable this, start by selecting your line feature in the Layers pane. Next, open the Styles panel and select Style Options. Under Symbol Style, change the symbol to an animated line and choose from one of the available animation styles. You can further customize the symbology by adjusting the size, as well as the color of the line. If you click Vector Marker and then scroll and select Animation, you can adjust properties such as the animation speed and other settings to better suit your map's design. Now, the route has come to life. The animation follows the direction of the line geometry, guiding users from the start of the course right to the finish line. While this example uses a road race, the same technique can be applied to any feature where direction and movement matter. With just a few adjustments in Map Viewer, we've transformed a simple line feature into a more engaging and informative mapping experience.